Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. And on this video, we'll continue the demo for the push notifications. On our previous video, we do have a demo for its smart notifications. We have the Facebook Messenger and the Instagram. On this video, we will focus on the following applications. So we have here the Viber, we have the WhatsApp application, and we will also have an SMS or text message notifications demo. So if you are interested to see this feature, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and demo this smart notification feature of our smartwatch. And on this video, we will focus again on Viber, WhatsApp application, and SMS. So we have here our support app. Let's set it again. We do have the app reminder here. Let's double check. We do have the Viber here, the WhatsApp application. And let's see, for the SMS, it's also activated. Okay, so everything is set here. Let's double check our smartwatch for the settings here for our screen. Brightness, display duration, let's make it 60 seconds. Okay, sound and vibration, let's make it high. Okay, then what else? Do we have other settings? None. Okay, so let's start. So we have here the WhatsApp application. Let's have a demo here. Let's check. Let's say hello. How are you? Send a message. Let's see if we'll be able to receive notifications here. Okay, seems like we do have the notifications here from Maria. We have the time, 7:38. We have the name of the sender, the message, and the logo of the WhatsApp application. And of course, you have an option here to delete the message. Let's have another one. Hi, and this time, let's add the emoji. And we have it here. Again, there's no support for emoji, but we do have here the message. Okay, so it works for our WhatsApp application when it comes to push notifications. Let's have a call here. It's now ringing. Okay, we have a support for call notifications. As you can see here, incoming voice calls, missed call from Maria. But you cannot answer it here on the smartwatch. Okay, if you want to answer the call from the applications, I think the Facebook Messenger has a support for this feature. Next, let's have the Viber account or Viber app. The same setup. Let's say hello. Okay, we did not receive any notifications here. Not yet, as you can see. Again, okay, we have it here now. Just late. So we have here the Viber notification. Again, the same with the WhatsApp application. We have the logo here, the name of the sender, and the message, with an option to delete all the message if you like, or you can delete it one by one. Just tap on it and delete. Can we swipe? No. If you want to delete all, that's it. Okay, so it works. Before we end with the Viber app, let's have a demo of the call also. Can we receive a call notification? Yes, we do have it here. Okay, so we do have a call notification support. Nice. So everything works here. Again, on our previous video, we do have the Messenger. It works. We have the Instagram. It works. Then on this video, we do have the WhatsApp and Viber, and everything works when it comes to smart notifications. Next, let's have the SMS here. Okay, let's say hi. How are you? Message sent. Do we have the notifications here? And we have it here. Okay. There's no beeping sound, but we do have a vibration. So how are you? Okay. Then let's see. And we have the message here. Again, there's no support for emoji for our Huafit Watch S12 Plus notification. Okay. And let's delete it. Okay, so every app that we demo works with our Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Although there's no support for emoji, we do have a support for push notification, call notifications, as well as we do also have an SMS support. Okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.